Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. This is a continuous sleep experience. You can relax and let it play as you drift into deeper rest. Before we begin, just take a moment to notice where you are. You've made it through the day. Whatever today held, it's behind you now. There is nothing left to solve, nothing left to fix, nothing left to prove. This moment is only for rest. Tonight, I'm going to tell you a quiet story, a gentle story, with no rush, no tension, and nowhere you need to be. A place where time slows down and everything feels soft and safe. So close your eyes, take a slow breath in and let it go. Allow your body to settle. Feel the weight of your body supported beneath you. Your shoulders soften, your jaw relaxes, your breathing slows. With every breath, you sink a little deeper, a little calmer, a little quieter. And as you begin to drift, the story begins. There is a small village, nestled between gentle hills and a quiet forest. It's not a place you would find on a map. It doesn't need to be, because this village exists only for those who need rest. The air there is always calm, not too warm, not too cool, just perfect. The kind of air that makes you breathe a little slower without even noticing. In this village, there are no loud sounds, no rushing footsteps, no urgency. Only soft winds, rustling through leaves, and the distant hum of evening settling in. As the sun begins to set, a golden light spreads gently across the hills. It touches the rooftops, the trees, the quiet paths are like a warm blanket of calm. You find yourself there now, walking slowly along a narrow path. Each step feels easy, effortless. There's nowhere you need to go, just forward, at your own pace. On either side of the path, wildflowers swayed gently, soft colors blending together. Nothing too bright, nothing overwhelming, just peaceful. The ground beneath your feet is soft, steady, comforting, and with every step, you feel lighter. Ahead, you notice a small wooden house. Warm light glows from its windows, inviting, safe, familiar. As you walk closer, you feel a quiet sense of belonging, as if this place has been waiting for you. You reach the door, and it opens easily, no effort, no hesitation. Inside, the space is warm. Soft light fills the room. There's a chair, a small table, and a gentle stillness. You step inside, and the outside world fades away. There is no noise here, no pressure, no expectations, only calm. You sit down and feel the chair support you completely. Your body relaxes even more. Every muscle softens. Time slows. Your breathing deepens. Your thoughts grow quieter. Outside, the sky darkens slowly. Stars begin to appear, one by one, soft points of light in a calm, endless sky. A gentle breeze moves through the air, not cold, not strong, just enough to remind you everything is still. You realize there is nothing missing, nothing unfinished. Everything is exactly as it should be. And in this quiet place, you are completely at ease. Your body grows heavier now, more relaxed, more still, as if you are sinking gently into comfort. Your mind softens, thoughts drift, like clouds moving slowly across the sky. There is no need to follow them, no need to hold on to anything. Just let them pass. You are safe, you are calm, you are allowed to rest. The house grows quieter, the night deepens, the world outside becomes distant, and you drift further into rest. Each breath takes you deeper, each moment more peaceful. There is nothing left to do, nowhere left to go. Just sleep. Let the story fade as you drift away. Sleep gently and rest deeply. Imagine this. You are standing at the edge of a quiet forest, just as night begins to settle in. The world behind you is fading. The noise, the movement, the rush of the day, slowly dissolving into silence. In front of you, a narrow path, softly lit by moonlight, invites you forward. There is no urgency here, no destination you must reach, only the calm, steady rhythm of walking. Take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, imagine yourself taking that first step into the forest. The ground beneath your feet is soft. A gentle layer of fallen leaves cushions each step. The air is cool but comfortable, fresh, clean, quiet. Above you, Tall trees stretch into the night sky, their branches swaying gently. The moon filters through the leaves, casting soft patterns on the path ahead. You walk slowly. There is no need to hurry. Each step is calm, steady, and easy. And with every step, your body begins to relax just a little more. You notice the sounds around you, not loud, not distracting, just soft, natural, peaceful, a distant rustle of leaves as a breeze moves gently through the trees, the quiet rhythm of your own footsteps, the soft whisper of the night. Your breathing slows, your shoulders soften, your mind begins to quiet. There is nothing to think about, nothing to solve, only this moment, this path, this gentle walk. As you continue walking, you begin to feel lighter. Anything you carried from the day begins to fade. Any tension, any worry, any lingering thoughts are gently dissolving. With each step, you leave them behind. They fall away like leaves, drifting quietly to the ground, and you continue forward, calm, steady, free. The forest grows quieter, deeper, more peaceful. The path curves gently, guiding you effortlessly. The moonlight softens, becoming more diffused, more dreamlike. You feel completely safe here, completely at ease. Your body is relaxed, your mind is quiet. Every step feels slower, heavier in the most comforting way. Up ahead, you notice a small clearing, a peaceful open space surrounded by tall, quiet trees. You step into it slowly and pause. The ground here is soft, almost like a natural bed. You feel drawn to rest, to simply lie down and let go. You gently lower yourself onto the soft earth. The ground supports you perfectly. Above you, the night sky opens. Stars shimmer softly, steady, calm, endless. Your body sinks deeper into comfort. Your breathing becomes slower, softer, effortless, in and out, in and out. The forest is quiet, the night is still, everything around you is calm. Your body feels heavy, warm, safe. Your mind is becoming still. Thoughts come and gently drift away, like distant echoes, fading into silence. You no longer feel the need to move. No need to think. No need to do anything at all. Sleep is coming naturally, gently, effortlessly. You are safe. You are calm. You are at rest. The forest watches quietly as you drift deeper. Your breathing slows even more. Your body softens completely, every muscle relaxed, every thought quiet. You are drifting now, floating gently into sleep. Nothing to hold on to, nothing to resist, just rest. The forest grows softer, more distant, more dreamlike, and as everything fades, you fall into deep, peaceful sleep. Before you close your eyes tonight, imagine this. You are far away from everything that has ever rushed you, everything that has ever demanded something from you. There are no notifications here, no expectations, no unfinished tasks, only rain. Soft, steady, endless rain. And a small wooden cabin waiting for you in the mountains. Take a slow, gentle breath in and let it go. There is nowhere else you need to be. You find yourself walking along a narrow mountain path. The air is cool, fresh, carrying the scent of pine trees and damp earth. Rain falls softly around you, not cold, not harsh, just a gentle rhythm that seems to match your breathing. Each step you take feels slower than the last. The ground beneath your feet is soft, slightly wet, comforting. In the distance, you see a warm glow, a cabin. Small, quiet, inviting. Its windows shine with a soft golden light, like it has been waiting just for you. You walk closer. The sound of rain shifts from open sky to the soft tapping against a wooden roof. You reach the door. It opens easily, as if it knew you were coming. Inside, the world feels different. Still, warm, safe. A fire crackles gently in the fireplace, casting slow-moving shadows across the wooden walls. The scent of burning wood fills the air, earthy, comforting, familiar. You step inside, and as the door closes behind you, the outside world fades away completely. Pause, deeper breathing. Take another slow breath in, and exhale slowly. You remove your shoes, feeling the warmth of the wooden floor beneath your feet. Nearby, a soft chair waits beside the fire. You move toward it slowly, every movement calm, unhurried. You sit down and feel the chair gently support you. The warmth from the fire reaches your hands, your arms, your whole body. Outside, the rain continues, a steady, peaceful rhythm. Inside, everything is quiet. With each breath you take, your body begins to soften. Your shoulders relax, dropping just a little more. Your jaw unclenches, your eyes grow heavier. The fire crackles softly, and the rain taps gently against the windows. Nothing needs your attention. Nothing needs to be solved. Everything can wait. Imagine the warmth of the fire melting away any tension you may still be holding. It starts at the top of your head, slowly moving downward, relaxing your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your neck. The warmth continues down into your shoulders, loosening every muscle. Your arms feel heavy, resting easily. Your chest rises and falls slowly, naturally, effortlessly. Your stomach softens, your legs grow heavier, more relaxed with each breath, all the way down to your feet. You are completely supported, completely safe, completely at ease now. Bring your attention back to the rain. Listen closely as it falls on the roof, soft, rhythmic, predictable. Each drop like a gentle lullaby. The sound surrounds the cabin, wrapping around you, holding you in calm. You don't need to follow every thought. You don't need to hold on to anything. Let your thoughts drift like clouds passing through the sky, coming and going without effort. The fire burns low now, glowing softly. The room grows even quieter, even more peaceful. Your body feels heavier, yet lighter at the same time, as if you are sinking gently into the chair or floating just above it. The rain continues its steady rhythm, guiding you deeper and deeper into rest. There is nothing left to do, nowhere left to go. You are already exactly where you need to be. Warm, safe, at peace. Let yourself drift without trying, without effort, without thought. If sleep comes, let it come naturally. If you remain here, just resting, that is perfectly fine too. The cabin remains quiet. The fire glows softly, and the rain continues to fall softly, gently, endlessly, guiding you into a deep, peaceful sleep. Allow your body to relax. Let your shoulders soften. Let your mind begin to slow down. Tonight, you find yourself in a quiet and peaceful place. It is just after sunset. The sky is a deep shade of blue, fading slowly into darkness. Stars begin to appear. One by one, you are standing on a quiet path, surrounded by nature. The air is cool, soft, and calm. There is a gentle breeze moving slowly around you. Everything feels still. Everything feels peaceful. You begin to walk forward, slowly and effortlessly. The path beneath your feet is smooth. Feels easy. Is no rush. Go where you need to go. Only this moment. As you walk, you notice soft lights in the distance. Warm, glowing lights. Flicker gently, like lanterns guiding your way. You move towards them. With each step, you feel more relaxed. Your body becomes lighter. Your thoughts begin to fade. You reach a quiet clearing. In the center, there is a small wooden bench surrounded by soft grass and gentle light. You sit down slowly. The bench is warm, comfortable. You take a deep breath, and as you exhale, you feel your body sink into relaxation. The breeze continues to move gently. The air feels calm. The world around you becomes quieter. You look up at the sky. The stars are brighter now. Calm, steady, peaceful. You feel safe here. You feel completely at ease. Now, imagine a soft wave of calm moving through your body, starting at your head, relaxing your face, softening your eyes, releasing your jaw. The calm moves down your neck, into your shoulders. Your shoulders drop completely. Heavy, relaxed. Now the calm flows down your arms, into your hands. Your hands rest gently, loose and still. Now your chest rises slowly and falls gently. Your breathing becomes calm, slow, steady. Now your stomach relaxes. Your body feels at ease. The calm continues down your legs, pull through your knees, into your feet. Your entire body is now relaxed. You sit quietly on the bench, surrounded by peace. The lights around you glow softly. The night feels calm, safe, still. You close your eyes and listen to the silence. Your breathing slows even more. Your body feels heavier, more relaxed, more at ease. The gentle breeze continues. Soft and steady. Like a quiet rhythm. You begin to drift. Slowly, gently. Your thoughts fade into the background. Your body is completely relaxed. You are calm. You are safe. You are at peace. The night surrounds you. Soft. Quiet. Still. You drift deeper. Deeper. Into rest. You don't need to rush. You don't need to think. You don't need to solve anything, because for the next few minutes, you're going somewhere else. Somewhere quiet. Somewhere calm. Somewhere far away from noise and pressure. and everything that feels heavy, a silent beach at night. And all you have to do is listen and let your mind follow. Imagine this. You're standing at the edge of a quiet beach. The night sky stretches above you. Dark, wide, filled with soft, distant stars. The air is cool, but gentle. And in front of you, the ocean moves slowly, calmly, endlessly. You hear the waves, soft, rhythmic, coming in and out. Take a slow breath in and exhale gently. Again, inhale and exhale. As you breathe, you begin to relax. Your shoulders soften. Your body becomes heavier. The sound of the ocean begins to match your breathing. In and out. Now, you begin to walk slowly, barefoot, on the sand. The ground feels soft, cool beneath your feet. Each step gentle, unhurried. There's no destination, no timeline, just the rhythm of walking and the sound of waves. With every step, you release something, a thought, a worry, a tension. You don't hold on to it. You let it fall away, like footprints in the sand, slowly fading behind you, washed away by the ocean. Now, you stop and gently sit on the sand. The ocean is in front of you, endless, calm. You watch the waves, each one rising and falling without effort, just like your breath. As you sit here, your mind begins to quiet. There's nothing to think about, nothing to solve, just the sound of water, the feeling of stillness, and a deep sense of calm spreading through your body. Your thoughts slow down. Your body sinks deeper. You notice the details, the soft breeze, the gentle movement of the water, the distant glow of the horizon. Everything is slow. Everything is peaceful. And you are part of it. Now, you lie back on the sand, looking up at the sky stars above you, endless, quiet. Your body is completely relaxed, heavy, still. The sound of the ocean continues, soft, steady, like a lullaby. You don't need to do anything now. Sleep will come naturally, like the tide. Slowly, gently, inevitably. Your breath is calm, your mind is quiet, and your body is ready to rest. Stay here. on this quiet beach with the waves, the sky, the calm. And as you drift deeper and deeper, let go completely and allow yourself to fall into a deep, peaceful sleep. Tonight, there is nowhere you need to go, nothing you need to solve, nothing you need to finish. Outside, the world is quiet. Snow is falling softly, endlessly, and you are somewhere warm, safe, still, inside a small wooden cabin, far away from everything. Tonight, you don't have to try to sleep. You will simply drift. Let's begin. Imagine yourself walking through the snow. Each step soft and slow. The air is cold but calm. Snowflakes fall gently, landing on your coat, melting quietly. In the distance, you see a warm glow, a cabin, light spilling softly from the windows. You walk toward it, feeling a sense of relief. With every step, you reach the door and gently push it open. Warm air greets you instantly. The scent of wood, a faint hint of something comforting, like tea or firewood. You step inside, closing the door behind you. The storm stays outside. Inside, there is only warmth. In the corner, a fire is burning, soft crackling, gentle flickers of orange light. The room glows with it. You walk closer, feeling the warmth on your skin. You sit down in a soft chair near the fire. And for the first time today, you fully relax. Outside the window, snow continues to fall, slow, quiet, endless. The world is covered in a blanket of white. But you are not cold. You are not exposed. You are safe inside now. Let your body soften. Feel the chair supporting you. Feel the warmth of the fire. Your shoulders drop. Your breathing slows. Inhale gently and exhale, letting go. Again, inhale, exhale. Each breath pulling you deeper into calm. Notice the small details around you. A wooden table. Beside you, a soft blanket draped over your legs. The quiet hum of the wind outside. The steady crackle of the fire. Everything is slow. Everything is peaceful. Now, your body feels heavier, more relaxed. Your thoughts are softer, lower, like the snow outside, gently falling and disappearing. There is nothing to think about, nothing to hold on to, just this moment. The fire continues to glow, steady and warm. Your breathing becomes even slower. Your body fully at rest. You feel safe, comfortable, at ease. Your eyes grow heavier, even if they are already closed, and sleep begins to come closer. Now, there is nothing left to do. The storm continues outside, but it no longer matters. You are inside, warm, safe, protected. Your body sinks deeper into rest. Your mind fades into quiet, and you begin to drift further and further into sleep. The fire continues to burn softly, keeping the cabin warm. The snow continues to fall, covering the world in silence. And you are completely at peace. Let yourself drift. Let yourself rest and sleep. Good night. Tonight, there is nowhere you need to go. Nothing you need to fix. Nothing you need to figure out. Only a quiet moment. A gentle space where you can simply drift and rest. Imagine a calm, endless body of water, still, smooth like glass. Above you, a sky filled with stars, soft, distant, endless, and you floating, weightless, supported, safe. Let's begin. First, get comfortable. Let your body sink into the surface beneath you. Feel the support, the stillness, the quiet. Let your shoulders soften, your jaw unclench, your eyes rest. There is nothing to do, only to be. Take a slow breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X. Again. In and out. Let each breath slow you down The water is warm, comfortable. It moves slightly. A soft, gentle rhythm, like a slow breath, lifting you, lowering you, without effort, above you. The sky stretches endlessly, filled with stars, thousands, maybe millions, each one glowing softly, calm, distant, peaceful. As you float, everything slows. Your breath, your thoughts, your body. There is no urgency here, no pressure, only stillness. If thoughts appear, let them drift, like small ripples on the water. They come, they fade, without effort, without resistance. With every breath, you feel heavier, more relaxed, more at ease. The water holds you. The night surrounds you. You are safe, completely safe. Now imagine. You are even lighter, almost floating above the water, drifting slowly, effortlessly, carried by calm, by stillness, by peace. There is no separation between you, the water, and the sky. Everything feels connected, quiet, balanced, whole. Your body is fully relaxed, every muscle soft, every breath slow. Your mind quiet, your awareness gentle. You drift deeper into rest. Now, you don't need to follow anything. You don't need to imagine clearly. Just drift. Let yourself fade into calm, into stillness, into sleep. And as you continue floating, breathing, drifting, you move deeper into peaceful rest. Nothing to hold on to, nothing to control, just calm water, soft stars, and you at ease, exactly where you need to be. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.